Like Joel said here, every point counts. And even just an average of 3 points earned multiplied by a 3-cent redemption, an average of 3 cents per point, that's going to get you I'll just round up, 10% of your credit card expenses back in free travel. It's that easy to do. And yeah, Joel, our fearless leader, is out there as well. Love me some earning multipliers. So let's go. Let's dive in. And I'm going to throw this up here. And while you guys read this and see kind of what we're getting into today, I'm going to hype up Kira just a little bit. If y'all are unfamiliar with Kira, she is our earning multipliers expert here at JGOOT. She is probably the biggest reason why we don't have to play the card churning game around here. We're not opening and closing cards over and over again. We're not chasing sign-up bonuses constantly, because what Kira teaches us is how to turn our everyday spend into a lot more points than you would expect and a lot more than you had before. And today we're going to focus on one of the biggest opportunities to do that, right, Kira?
That's right.
All right, let's dive in, Kira.
Cool. Let's talk Black Friday. So Black Friday, it's kind of like synonymous with shopping. I feel like it's part of like the American zeitgeist of Black Friday shopping season. Time to get all your Christmas and holiday shopping done. But I'm asking those of us in the points and miles world to kind of shift our brain and not just think about all that we're going to spend on Black Friday, but let's think about what we can earn. How do we make all of those expenses work in our favor? And how can I take my Black Friday expenses or Cyber Monday expenses? We get several days to earn here, and use them to fly to Paris or whatever your next big dream flight might be. So I want to start thinking about it early so that when Black Friday comes, it's not like frantic. So that's my game plan for today, is let's think about getting ready for Black Friday and how we prepare ourselves. All right, so what I'm going to do today is kind of go through a checklist, like a step-by-step on how we can get ready and be prepared to start using all of these things that we have at our disposal that makes us earn lots and lots of points. So the first thing I want everybody to do is know your portals. There are lots of portals out there that earn us points and miles, regardless of the types of cards you have. So if you have a Chase card, you can use Shop Through Chase and earn ultimate reward points. If you have an Amex card, you can use Rakuten. And most recently, Rakuten will also earn you Bilt points. So if you're looking to earn Bilt points, that's an option as well. Maybe you aren't in the transferable points yet. You're brand new and you're just starting out. You don't have a new credit card and you don't have time before Black Friday to get one. We also have airline portals. You can look at some branded miles. Almost all the airline portals have a shopping portal. You can use that as an opportunity to earn miles as well. All right, so once you know about the portals, then you actually have to log in and create your accounts. So make sure everything is set up. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I get so frustrated when I'm like, yeah, look at this awesome deal. And I go to click pay and it's like, oh, you need to log in. You need to start all over again. And then you log in and then it's emptied your shopping cart and you have to start back at square one. And it's just so much work. So do it now. Like, get yourself in the preparation mindset, log into your accounts, make sure everything's ready to go. If you're using Rakuten and need to link your Amex card, do it now. In case there's an issue, you can troubleshoot it. You're not worrying about that and then having any panic about missing out on a great deal on Black Friday or on Cyber Monday. So the next step, after you've looked at your portals, you've done some practicing, everything's logged in, now it's time to start making that list. So the list, I think a lot of us at holiday season, we just go to gift giving, which is great and important, and we should have that on our list. But think about those items, think about charitable donations, all of those things that we want to be giving this time of year. But this is also a great time to stock up on your regular household supplies. Think about travel stuff as well. Do you need new suitcases? Or is there any tech out there? What do you have coming up? Maybe Q1, Q2 of 2026. Do you have any trips? Is there a wedding coming up? Birthday, anniversary? all of these things you can think about and purchase them now. All right, so let's talk a little bit about stacking, which is the fourth step as we get through this. We've got our list, we're ready to start, and now I want you to start thinking about multiplying your potential. So let's start looking at ways that we can stack, so using duplicate benefits on a single purchase. So an example would be activating a portal and using a credit card bonus. So you've got a bonus category on your Chase Freedom Unlimited, 1.5 points per dollar on everything you buy. You use that to pay for a purchase while Rakuten is activated. You're stacked right there. You earn through the card, you earn through the portal. We can also think about this with credit card offers. These are going to be elevated during shopping season as well. So checking your offers. Sometimes they're going to be cash back. Sometimes they're going to be extra points. You can activate those and earn those promotions on top of the portals as well. And then the last thing I want to touch on with stacking has to do with coupon codes, because we get a lot of coupons this time of year. Everybody's emailing us, use, holiday 456 and get 20% off. There's a lot of coupon codes. If we are entering a merchant's coupon code, it most of the time will disable our portals. However, there's an exception to that, and that is a lot of our portals give us their own coupon codes. So when you're using a portal, it's going to give you a code that it will auto enter and you'll still get that discount. Timing really is everything. These portals are going to spike. Sometimes it's temporary. Sometimes it doesn't even last the whole day. So just make sure that probably Thanksgiving night is where we're going to start seeing them creep up. Usually around 9 p.m. Eastern time is when they start turning over, and watch the portals. They quite often can be over 20 points per dollar, 25, 30, etc. So you can log into your portals, be watching. For example, on Rakuten, you can favorite the stores you want to shop at. You can do it now while you're setting up your portals. So when you log into Rakuten, those stores are going to be right on your homepage. You don't have to click around, you'll see them. You can choose, see what the bonus is. It's really simple right when you log into the portal. The next step is going to be gift cards. So gift cards are a great gift to give. People like getting gift cards. It's also a good opportunity to earn points. So our portals partner with gift card resellers. So giftcards.com, it's a merchant that sells gift cards. You can also earn points when you shop there because it's on Rakuten, because it's on these various portals. So you can earn points buying gift cards. You can also take advantage of your credit card multipliers with your Chase cards and buy gift cards in store. So there are opportunities to use gift cards as part of your gift giving, as well as your points earning strategy. Plan ahead for redemption. So earning multipliers, when we're thinking about earning these points, it adds up fast. And I want you to be thinking about how you can take advantage of them. It makes it much more exciting. And I love to set a goal for the season too. I'll think, all right, this holiday, I would like to earn 50,000 points from my shopping, or whatever that number is. We're all going to be different. And then try to see what I can do. It's like a challenge to myself. How do I get to that goal? What do I need to, how do I go through my list and get to that goal? And then how can I use those 50,000 points? So it's more than just earning the points. It's what do I get out of them? This is your quick checklist, right? We went through the details for each of these, but go through this on your own. So first thing you're going to do is compare the rates, compare your shopping portals, look at them, see what they are. Then you want to log into all the portals and tools. Make sure everything is set up, ready to go. When it's time to earn, you don't need to start at square one. Number 3, start making your shopping list or refine the list you already have in progress. Then you're going to enable all of your browser extensions. You've got your portals and you're logged into your portals. Now we want to make sure our extensions are also all enabled so that when we're shopping around, those portals are coming to us. Keep an eye out for our portal approved coupon codes and don't accidentally use a coupon code that's not portal approved. Check our credit cards, use card pointers and log into your credit card accounts to see what sort of bonuses we have. And then take advantage of all of this. Shop, earn, redeem. And there should be another checkbox there that says travel.
I just want to give everybody who's with us and watching here, we've mentioned it a couple of times, but I want you to hurry up and get over to jgoot.com/EM. I'll tell you a little bit more about this before we get to these questions, because frankly, that's one of the biggest benefits. On these Monday live streams, there's a whole lot of you out there, and there's only one Kira. We're fresh out of backups and replacements. And so we'll get as many as we can. But in this membership, not only do you have this entire course that walks through exactly how to build your strategy and multiply your points earning, but you do a monthly Q&A every single month where everybody who's in that membership can get on and ask you any questions they've got about earning multipliers, right, Kira?
That's right. And we go through them all. So we make sure every question gets answered on those Q&As.
Like Joel said here, every point counts. And even just an average of 3 points earned multiplied by a 3-cent redemption, an average of 3 cents per point, that's going to get you I'll just round up, 10% of your credit card expenses back in free travel. It's that easy to do. And we want to help you do that. I'll throw this up there one last time. Get to that site, jgoot.com/EM. Kira's entire course, the monthly Q&As, the newsletter that we didn't even mention earlier. So you'll get all of that available in the course. It's normally $97 a month. We've got it on sale for all of you who are here live for just $27 a month. We're going to give you a 7-day free trial to check it out. Kira, thanks a lot. This was fun and I think helpful to a lot of people. I don't know if you've seen the chat, but a lot of people are really, really grateful for this. Black Friday is a big, big opportunity coming up.
Yeah, definitely. I'm excited. I always encourage people, post in the village, tell us your successes. We see a lot of questions in there, but tell us how you succeeded too. So we'll be looking for you.
So thanks again, Kira.
You
we'll
bet.
see all of you next week. Happy shopping.
Yeah.